How are you guys doing today? Let's get to it, y'all. Subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, because today we're gonna go pick up a less than $2,000 2022 Dodge Charger Scat Pack.
Turn left, then turn left on.
Well, let's get some snacks, some drinks, go to the bathroom, and get on the road. Well, we got this bozo over here with the gas cap undone. We got 3 Red Bulls. We got some pork rinds for Jet Ski Jimmy, some Reese's, and a Mike's Hard for him to enjoy on his nice long journey to the auction place. Y'all, stay tuned. We're gonna get moving. We got diesel. We just gotta drive now. Well, I'm pulling up to the first destination. This is sketchy. We are getting a bumper. Hopefully, oh my lord, where are we? This is, what in the world? Chris? What'd you say? How much? What year? Ready? Here's the coin. You flip it. I'll flip it. You call it. You want tails? All right. Come on.
I like that color on that car, man.
Son of a fucking bitch.
You said you wanted to film. Yeah, that's what he told me.
Damn it. Well, I got a bumper, so that's good. So let's keep rolling. I lost a fucking coin toss. Dude, that was a tragic event that took place.
Lost the coin toss there, bud.
That one sucked. No steak dinner for me and Alex tonight. But we're keeping on moving. And we're gonna get this show on the road. Let's go get the $2,000 Charger now.
She's in there. Ow.
All right, we got the bumper in. It is late, and I can't believe I'm all the way out here. I don't even want to tell you where I am, but it's a sketchy part of the world. So let's get to moving and grooving and out of here. Well, we made it to the auction, but I am not seeing the car that we bought, so that is not good. Oh, here it is. Let us see the $1,800 Charger. Here we go. Missing a bit, but for $1,800, it still has the emblem, so that's nice. Well, let's get this thing loaded up on the trailer, and I'll get back with you. All right, we got this loaded up, and we just bought 5 engines. They're in here. 4 Can-Am engines. So if y'all need a Can-Am engine built with a 1-year warranty, let me know. Let's get on the road. Let's get home. Well, we have finally stopped let the dogs out. Oh me, this Charger looks terrible on the trailer how it is. It's not set up on there good. I'll show you here in a second. Well, we have made it to fuel stop number 2. We are close to home, so that is good. This thing has been riding all right, so that's a good sign. Here at the rest stop, and I saw that the glass is in the doors, I'm pretty sure, so that's a good sign. Be able to put the glass up and wait to find a hood, front bumper, and drivetrain for this thing, and this thing will be a running car. It also needs a new tier and a few other parts, but I got a bunch of stuff, I think, left over from the other Charger, so. Ooh, this one's gonna be an interesting build, y'all stay tuned. Well, it is 2 o'clock. We finally made it home. Let's get the car shuffled around in my driveway and get this thing unloaded. Then get headed over to my buddy's shop and get to helping him with the silver car so we can pick it up. Y'all stay tuned. Hopefully this is not a disaster. Well, it's fucking 3 a.m. My boy Jesse Jimmy came through, helped me save the jack from rolling down the hill. Almost crashed it into the other Charger. We finally got this thing home, off the trailer. Oh me, let's get to the shop and get the other one. Oof, that rear bumper is kind of not looking good right now, but let's get to it. Well, it's 3:32 in the morning. We're finally home. We got this bumper on our trip, which is great. We need that for that silver car. It's a little scratched up, probably happened in the truck, but oh well. At least we got it, and it's silver. And let me show y'all the new project. Sheesh. 2022 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Y'all stay tuned. I also got 4 Can-Am engines, 1000. So if any of y'all need a fresh Can-Am 1000 engine with a 1-year warranty, drop me a message and I can hook you up. Well, you guys, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. We're at my buddy's shop. Let's see what he's got done on this silver car since we left it here and went to the auction. I bet he's got it looking great though. Sheesh! What the fuck? Sheesh!